Hey everyone, Becca with PriceLabs here. Just wanted to make a quick video to address our demand factor. This is one of the cooler features that we've released in the past year, but I don't think that everybody knows about it. So just wanted to make a quick video to kind of explain what it is, how it works, and how you might want to use it. So I've got my calendar pulled up here. Now, how PriceLabs works is we start with that base price. That's kind of like our jumping off point. And then we add layers on top of it. So if I hover over any date, you're going to see some market factors applying and then some price customizations applying. The first factor that we apply in the market factors is our seasonality. So that's the general high season, low season curves that you might see throughout the year. The next is our demand factor. Now, this is looking at specific dates throughout the year, whether there is a holiday or an event, or maybe it's just demand on a Monday versus demand on a Friday. And we're adjusting your prices based on the demand in the market. Now, depending on the type of listing that you have, you might want to make an adjustment to this demand factor. New listings that are struggling a little bit or a little bit more price sensitive, might do well with a conservative demand factor. Whereas if you tend to be more aggressive, you really want to make sure that you're priced as high as possible for those high demand dates. An aggressive demand factor might be a good choice for you. So here, let's take a look at how this works. So this listing is in Charlotte. We've got Beyonce, Queen Bey is coming on August 9th. So we've got this really high price kind of on this Wednesday, $462. So by default, our recommended demand factor is applying. That's plus 86%. That's how we're getting to this $462 price. Now to make an adjustment, we're going to click edit on the customizations, go down to advanced, and then you will see demand factor aggressiveness here. Go ahead and turn that on. And we're going to start by looking at how conservative affects that price. So we were at 462. If I switch it to conservative, essentially we're looking at all those high demand dates and like dampening the price recommendation just a little bit. So if we go back to August, we're now at 354. So quite a reduction from that, initial 462 price. Now, if I go back in here and I do the opposite, I can switch this from conservative to aggressive. That's going to raise prices for high demand dates, weekends, holidays, events, you name it. So again, we're going to hop back into August and see now we're at 569. So quite a bit higher there as well. But cool. If you have any questions about the demand factor or any other customizations, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@pricelabs.co. We are more than happy to help. Till next time.